Looks like the race is starting. Both horses are at the gate. And they're off. Looks like Caroline is taking the lead. Thunder Rumble is right next to him. Going into our first turn, it looks like it's going to be Caroline, then Thunder Rumble. Coming around the first stretch, looks like it's still Caroline, then Thunder Rumble. Both horses on stride, really close together. Still Caroline, then Thunder Rumble. We're going into our final turn. Looks like Caroline's still in the lead. Thunder Rumble trying to catch up. Coming down our final stretch. Looks like it's going to be another close one. Thunder Rumble coming around. But it is going to be Caroline, then Thunder Rumble.